Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm going to give this wheel cleaner another shot. I didn't give it a fair shot last time because I already cleaned my chrome wheels before I sprayed this on. And this isn't a chrome cleaner; it's a wheel cleaner. So my wheels are pretty dirty on the Spyder. I don't know if you could see. Yeah, they're pretty dirty, right? That's the inside. They're pretty nasty on the inside, and they're pretty dirty on the outside with brake dust. So I'm gonna do a little bit better job, and I'm gonna get my hose first before I start the video. Okay, got my hose on, so I'm gonna spray the outside. And then I'm gonna spray the inside, because that's what's dirty. I don't know if I can get it all though, because I can't get it up high. But we'll see how that works anyway. I'll spray the other side too. I'll have to roll the tires to get that. But we'll see how this works. So, let's see what we got here. Yep, watch my camera there. Okay, hey, those are clean. The brake dust is off. Oh, wow, well, I didn't spray it real well inside there, but I'm going to turn the wheels and spray that as well. I got to do the black wheel. But look how much cleaner those are. Got some stuff stuck on. Okay, I just moved it all off. But those are a lot cleaner, so let me do a little bit more. And I'll do the back side too. I got to roll this thing a little bit though. Yep, got the key. There, well. Let's roll that a little bit, then I get the wheels a little bit more on the inside too. Didn't spray all the little nooks and crannies, so I'm doing that a little bit better. So let's get the inside a little bit more. So no more washing with soap and water, because this works really good. And it got the inside of these wheels super clean too. I'm going to use a shower. Okay, you really want to see something. Let's go to the back and get all the the brake dust from back here. You can watch all that stuff come off. Yep, can't get down there now because it's a... it shouldn't hurt the belt or anything either, right? Yeah, it's going to be hard to get this whole thing just because of where it is. Maybe I just spray it and it'll run off down there. I might have to roll it again too. Oh, you can see it. Look at it coming off. Look at the brake dust coming off. Oh, you can't see it. See the goo coming off of there? And the back wheels on these things are the worst. Let me see if I can get it a little more. Ugh. Okay, let's hose it off, see what it's going to look like. Oh, look at that. Look at that black stuff coming off. Look at the brake dust coming off of there. Whoa, you can see that, I hope. Wow, I've never seen those rims that clean before because it's so hard to get underneath there. Look at all that stuff come off of there. And look how clean those rims are now. Those black rims are super clean. Okay, I didn't give this a fair shake last time because I washed them beforehand. Let's do that and see what happens on this. See how the dirt comes off of that and the back fender. Said it's safe on plastics. Wow, that's really great. I didn't leave it set on there long enough, but boy, it looks good. That's amazing. Okay, I didn't follow the directions the first time. I cleaned it first. That's just amazing. Look how clean that, oh, you can't see that, but look how clean those wheels are inside there. They've never been like that. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't, but all that goo come out of there. And look how clean these are now. I didn't scrub them either. The insides are amazing. Oh, looks like I've got to hose it off a little bit more. Wow, that stuff's great. Okay. Didn't give that a fair shake because I washed the Goldwing beforehand. But boy, you saw that brake dust come off of there, and even the black rims are clean now. And that was usually filthy. And the insides of these front wheels were filthy too. Probably need to turn it some more, but look how clean those are now. Hopefully you can see it. Look how clean those rims are now. I didn't even scrub them with soap and water. Great. I like this stuff. Oh, too bad this doesn't come with the giveaway. My giveaway, or Super Clean's giveaway, is the degreaser, this degreaser, and this degreaser. So that's going to be the giveaway, and I'm going to do it on the video I just did on the Spyder.